Investing might sound scary once you find out there's a chance your money could go down as well as up. But there are ways of investing that minimize risk. The best option is to spread the risk. We call this diversification. If you put your money into a mix of different investments, you're not relying on just one. Think about a garden. If you plant one seed and it doesn't sprout, you have nothing. If you diversify and plant 10 different seeds, some may sprout and grow slowly. Others may shoot up quickly. Over time, the garden flourishes and blooms. The different seeds or investments you choose might come with different risks, from low-risk savings accounts and bonds to high-risk stocks or crypto. Everyone has a different appetite for risk. One person's danger is another person's fun. The level of risk you're comfortable with is called your risk tolerance. Before investing, it's helpful to work out your risk tolerance and build your investor profile. You can do this by taking a quiz online. Your investor profile can help you decide the kind of investments that are best for you. For example, even if you have a low risk tolerance, riskier investments might make sense when you're young and have time to make up for a loss. Creating your investor profile and setting long-term goals are great starting points to successful investing.